Sharifa just nailed it, and we are here today with us a package from Amazon. This is from Modelones. They contacted me a little bit ago and asked if I would like to do a review for them, and of course I said yes. So we're going to dive in. There are 3 items here in the package. These 2 solid cream gels and moi. 24 piece. And these are, I don't know. Let's do some investigation. High quality, long lasting, easy to apply, low smell, no harm to skin. Contacts, warning, storage, direction, ingredients. We're gonna dive right in. I have my little scissors right here, right here, right here. I am as happy as a little kid in a candy store. I am so excited. I just want to rip them open. Throw that behind me on the floor. I want to tear it up. I want to see what's inside. I am so excited. Now, I want to be careful because me and boxes do not go along together. I don't know how to open these. I think you slide them out. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh my Lord. Oh boy. It's probably something really simple. Alright. We're back. Looky, looky, looky. Oh. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at, oh my, oh wow. This is attached. Solid Modelones colored cube. Solid cream gel polish user manual. I do not want to tear this off. This is so cute. Oh, God. I don't want to take this out. Oh, my God, because it's never going to be the same once I do. I know me. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, here we... Oh, this is attached to this. Oh. Not the same no more. I am excited though. I'm very excited. So, we got the user's manual. Let's open her up. Check her out. See what she's about. Like a little child here. Okay, we've got nail prep. Got 6 steps of nail preparation, gel application, gel removal down here at the bottom. What is this? Oh, we got Q&A. Q&A, more Q&A here. We've got tips, storage, warnings, and contact us. That's great. They got a contact us section, which is really cool. Really cool. The moment of truth. Oh, we got a brush to apply, which I'm not swatching all these out, 3 collections in one video. That would be a super, super long video. This is just an unboxing. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my god, I can't get anything open. And I'm gonna break nails here doing it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here. Oh, look at this. Oh, those are beautiful. Just a little sticky that was across the colors. But you take a minute just to take them in. Oh my gosh, those are just beautiful. Look at that one here. It's like swirled marble. Oh. I'm glad I don't have scoliosis watch these on. That's what I was going to pull out for another video. I've got short nails. I'm glad they are because I would not waste these on stilettos. I've got short nails. Oh my god, those are just beautiful. Take those in, look at them. Those are just gorgeous. This is a beautiful palette. Is that what you call this? Is a palette when it's like this? A collection? I mean, this is just a stunning idea to put it like in a vinyl record. God. There's a lot of cleaning out though. Wow, that's just... Let me check this out. You look at the collection. Take them in. I'm going to look at the back of the box here. It says here's for 60 seconds. And these are cream gels. I just cannot get over this. I just, wow. Wow. Oh. Oh, look. Something I just discovered. On the back it has your colors. Designed in the U.S., made in PR.C. Distributed by More Joy, More Fun. Modelones. Oh my god, look at this. I will have a code and an affiliate link for you. So you can save yourself some coin. And who doesn't want to save yourself some coin? You'd be an idiot not to. So I'm unboxing the second one as I speak. So you can look at them together. Oh shoot. Here's the first one, the second one. I should have said it was not, I can't get it open. Oh Lord. These are just beautiful. Beautiful. Tear off the second sticker. Oh wow. Oh, I should have torn this off on camera for the peel porn effect. Addicts. Look at that. Let me hold it up so you can see it. These are pastels. except for our 2 glitters we have down here below. I believe these are probably 21 colors, maybe 24. I'm going to say 21. I'm not going to count them, but these are just so cool. This one's got a shimmer to it. This. These are just beautiful. I cannot get over this palette here. These are nudes, creams, the edge pastels. Oh, 21 colors, I was right, yeah. Didn't have to count. Color awakens the rhythm of life. These are just stunning. I cannot get over these. I just can't. So I'm going to put these away so we can move on to the third collection that they sent me. Here, this is a 24 piece. Yummy boxes don't go together. Okay, here we go. Here is the user manual. Meal prep, gel application, gel removal application. So you can see all of this. Q&A. Tips, warning, storage, contact us. And this is your catalog. Product catalog. Oh wow, they show you different things that they make and sell. They're dip powders. That is really cool. Your product catalog is your thumb tips. That is really cool to have. These are, so let me see what these are here. I'm going to pull these out. Top coat, matte top coat, base coat, nail primer. Most companies do not send you a nail primer. That's really cool. I like that. I like that a lot. So that's 20 colors. Look at these. I want to check these out right here. Look at this. This is, oh boy. Pull this out for you, Kiki, because I can't get her open. Blue Cross Blue Shield. Let me turn that over. This is a model one. This is a, oh look, it's a glitter. Probably a glitter topper. One 783. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, let me see what number is that. 1782. These, like I said, are pastels. They go from 0037 to 1783. This is beautiful. This is another top or maybe a couple colors to make it. It's not going to be opaque, I don't feel. This has got some big flakes. Oh my god, these are butterflies. Oh my god, they're butterflies. I have these other ones again. That was butterflies. First I thought it was big chunky flakes. No. That was definitely butterflies. That was super cool. 1780, folks. Ladies. Butterflies in the polish, in the gel. Let me show it to you again. I need a black nail. Shoot. That's what I need. I need to find one. I need one to come off on my nail. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. I don't know if you can see that. That, my folks, my ladies, my friends, is a butterfly. That is so funny. That is a butterfly. That is so funny. My lamp is not set up, or I would have cured this for you. So it has blue specks in it, which would go great with the color I'm wearing. That is a beautiful, beautiful polish. So here up close is the collection. 0037 to 1783 base. I don't know which ones they are. They go from a primer to a base top matte. You name the color of the pastel, it is here. Great collection. I will have a separate swatching video. You'll see me throughout the year using these colors. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. But we are going to end this video. Remember, there will be, when I get the code, it'll be across the bottom of the screen here, and there will be in the description box from now forward the affiliate link and discount code for y'all. So look for that. Until then, have a blessed day. Thank you.